tension. 1. Install disc Tothi spindle. A bigger disc use lifter tall, 080 disc UPOR down. 2. Select UI table flange. 3. Lock flange. 4. Let roller go forward. 5. Stop when reach position from water gap about 5 millimeters. 5. Set parameters tension time speed end to end. 6. Press foot switch tension begin. When use topped ALS, which or tension time over. Hydraulic pump wheels top. Generally just tension 1 round. 7. Let roller back after finishing tens in.